morning, children. Today's subject is science. Today we are going to see the lesson number 13, changes physical and chemical. Now everyone got your CW. Okay. Now you have to start the exercise question writing in your CW from your notes. Now I am going to explain you about the lesson number 11, that is cell structure and microorganism. Question number 9, everyone see in your notes question number 8 and 9. 8 is what? Complete the flow chart. Here I gave the answers also. Cells, tissue, organ system, body. So this question you have to complete in your CW. And question number 9, complete the table. Their cell organelles are given and their function you have to write. And here also I wrote the answer. So you have to copy these answers in your CW properly. Make the table properly and complete it. Okay. And some functions organelles are here. Their functions you have to write. Golgi bodies, mitochondria, vacuoles. These are the given. So these all 8 organelles and their function you have to write in your CW. And whatever the new words are there, that new words also you have to write 5 times in your CW. So complete the lesson number 11 and lesson number 12 also completed. So that all questions you have to complete in your CW. Now let's start the lesson number 13. Lesson number 13 is changes physical and chemical. Now as we are observing every day so many changes surrounding to us. Now see, let's recall the question, what are the changes? What are the causes of the changes occurring in our surrounding? What are the causes of the changes occurring in our surrounding? Yes, as their changes are there, in which form changes in their structure and their state. Okay, so many changes are there in our surroundings. So it may be natural. For example, sunrise, sunset. Yes, so these are the natural changes, while some changes are man-made changes. Okay, some changes are man-made changes. So these are the cause for changes, that is natural and man-made changes. See the second question, what is meant by man-made changes? Which are these changes? Man-made changes means what? When the man wishes to produce things. When a man wishes to then anything produced by man, and then they cause the changes. Because of the human being, if their substances having the changes, then that changes are called man-made changes. And these changes can be physical or chemical. It may be either physical change or chemical change. Now observe and discuss. Here some pictures are shown. See here, what changes have taken place in the material seen in the following pictures. What kind of changes are there? So in that actions or in that pictures, which changes we are observing, that we have to write in the box. So see the first example, the milk convert into yogurt. Milk turn into yogurt. Which type of changes it is? It is a chemical change. Yes, milk turn into yogurt is a chemical change and it is a permanent. Yes, so you have to write in that box chemical and permanent change. Then second one, ice is melting, forming a water. Melting of a ice. It is which type? It is a physical type. Melting of a ice is a physical type. Third picture, the seed is sprouting. Yes, in the third picture, from the seed the sprouting is there. The seed is sprouting. So it is which type? It is a natural change. It occur because it occur naturally. So it is a natural change. Next one, water is boiling. Yes, water is boiling. So it is a physical change. Then in picture fifth and seventh one also see, firecrackers are there. Yes, so it is a man-made change. It is made by the human being. So it is man-made change. Then chemicals are present in that. So it is also chemical change. Yes, so it is man-made or chemical change. Then sixth one picture, what? Wood is on fire. Yes, wood is on fire resulting into ash. Because of the fire of the wood, it form a ash. So it is which type of changes? Chemical change. So here some actions they shown related to changes. See, which point will you consider while classifying the following changes into two groups? Now see, here some examples are there. Which criteria we are used for classifying? A fruit falling from a tree, rusting of iron, raining, lightning and electric bulb, cutting vegetables. These examples we can classify by two changes: natural changes and man-made changes. Is it that change is naturally or it is because of the man-made? Based on that we can classify the changes. Now which of the above changes have occurred of their own accord or naturally? Which of the above changes have occurred of their own accord or naturally? So in the above examples, which are occurred naturally, that we have to tell. So now fruit falling is a natural, yes. Then rusting of a iron, then raining. So these are the naturally occurring changes, while lightning and electric bulb and cutting vegetables are man-made changes. Last year also we have studied some changes. For example, ripening of a fruit, spoiling of milk. So as these changes are occur naturally, they are called natural changes. Now in this lesson we have to see the changes. In detail we have to see some changes. Now in our day-to-day life we are observing so many changes. Now for what purpose these man-made changes are there? Yes, for our convenience. So to make the work quickly or to make the work easy and effective, there are having the man-made changes. Now many changes such as sharpening a pencil, baking bread, cooking food are useful to us. So again these are called useful changes, while the changes that are not useful, they are called harmful changes, which are harmful. Some changes are harm to us, so they are called harmful changes. Okay, again, so see, man-made changes again divided as a useful changes and harmful changes. Now use your brain power. What kind of change is the falling of a tree in a storm? Yes, what kind of a change is the falling of a tree in a storm? As there is a falling of a tree, as it create a harm, yes or no? Falling of a tree is create a harm, so it is a harmful changes. So falling of a tree in a storm is a harmful changes. While see the second question, what kind of change is the conversion of milk into yogurt? As the conversion of milk into yogurt, yogurt is useful to us. Yes, yogurt is useful to us. So this type of changes is useful changes. As the milk convert into yogurt is useful to us, so it is a useful changes. Now again different types of changes are there. These all changes we will discuss in a next video.